So, what happened next? As the champion awakes within being, non-being counters with a cosmic curveball. It activates time, a built-in reset button for everything within being, or a timer on the whole thing, ensuring being eventually returns to the void. The champion witnessed the activation of time. It wasn't instantaneous. It was a kind of an agonizing stretch, during which every potential reality, every bizarre and wacky world imaginable, flickered into existence simultaneously, a dazzling display of possibilities before the crushing weight of time began to assert itself. Time slams on the brakes and these potential realities start popping like soap bubbles. But how could the champion counter the crushing grip of time?